Sometimes we have delays in shipments, problems with our website, misunderstandings with product descriptions, among other inconveniences that make you decrease the price of your pending orders as compensation to your customers. The problem is that if you try to decrease the prices of all those orders manually, it will be a tedious and time-consuming task depending on the amount of pending orders you have. So in this video, we'll show you how to bulk decrease the price of your pending orders using the WP Sheet Editor WooCommerce Orders plugin, which allows you to perform advanced searches, bulk edit hundreds of orders, export and import orders using CSV files, etc. You'll find the link to download the plugin in the description of this video. Also, you'll find the link to our written guide. Before we edit the prices, we'll search for all pending orders. To do this, let's start by opening the search tool. Once the tool is open, enable the advanced filters. Then select the status field. Now leave equal as the operator. And choose pending payment here. Finally, run the search, and the results will be displayed in the spreadsheet. Now that we've searched for all pending orders, let's decrease their prices in bulk. To do this, we must hover our mouse over the bulk edit tool, and we'll see several options displayed, but the ones we'll focus on will be these here. We can choose to decrease the product prices by percentage or by number. In this case, I'll do it by number, so I'll select this option, which will open the bulk edit tool. Here we can select the rows we want to edit, in this case they will be the ones from my current search. Now we have to enter the number that we'll decrease here. And execute. As you can see, bulk decreased prices in all pending orders using the WP Sheet Editor WooCommerce Orders plugin was really easy and fast. Remember that you'll find a link to the written guide, and the link to download the plugin in the description of the video. We have live chat support on our website. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to find more video tutorials.